A lot of you were happy to see today's hot weather, and fortunately, you're not the only ones buzzing about it. Gnats, mayflies, and yes, even some mosquitoes are already out. Well, the woman who keeps the bugs at bay says the last 3 months of significant rain and flooding are going to make you want to stock up on bug spray. To say Judy Stenzel has been itching to get outside is a bit of an understatement.
I just love the sunshine. It makes me feel good.
John Stenzel takes the necessary steps to keep his outdoor-obsessed wife happy.
When it turns warm like this, she's thriving on it, and she pushes me to go to ride bike about 3 times every day.
They're already seeing signs they'll be itching in other ways because the bugs are out.
Just those things that fly around your face and you go away, go away, go away.
Yeah, there's a lot of water, so I think we're going to have a busy and aggressive year.
Thanks to a lot of flowing water, Health Program Coordinator Denise Patton says she's seeing a lot of gnats and mayflies. With an excess of standing water, and now that the weather is warm enough, the mosquitoes are coming.
Here we are, it's go time.
Patton says this is perfect breeding grounds for mosquitoes that bite.
We're going to get a good pop of those here in the next week or two.
Well, you don't have to worry about disease-carrying mosquitoes yet.
That's just likely to start peaking in July. That's when West Nile becomes our big concern.
On nice days like today, a lot of people are outside. In addition to being selfie aware of the spring scenery, Patton says pay attention to the mosquitoes so you can stay safe.
Quality of life is super important, but more than that, we don't want anybody sick.
As for the Stenzels, they're finally scratching that itch.
I like to be active, and so you really can't stay in the house and be active. And now with this nice weather coming, this is perfect.
Patton says city workers are treating as much standing water in public as they can, but you'll want to take care of any standing water on your own property. She says you could start seeing spraying in just a few weeks.